Service Genius is a complete management software for service businesses, such as residential cleaning, carpet cleaning, fire extinguisher maintenance, window cleaning, janitorial businesses, and more. It incorporates CRM, customer relationship management, employee management, job scheduling, accounting and invoicing, payroll, mapping, and more. Job scheduling. The interactive job scheduling calendars form the core of the software. Each calendar includes different features and looks reflecting the wishes and needs of different users. We've been creating multi-purpose scheduling software for over 30 years. During that time, we've listened to our users and created many different calendar views. This means you have many options for viewing and organizing your jobs. Just pick the one that most suits your business needs. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the weekly scheduling calendar view, the monthly scheduling calendar view, and here's the timeline calendar view. We have alternative views that separate the teams on the weekly scheduling calendar by team color, and you can change the view to view this calendar by team. For example, this view now only displays the jobs for the specific team selected. You can view, complete, edit, delete a job, and more. Just click on a job on the calendar to open a menu of options. Watch as I complete this job. Information concerning the scheduled job is displayed. We see here the assigned employees, their pay rates, and the times they are scheduled to begin and end their job. You can make changes as necessary. Click the Invoice tab to bring up information about the services performed and the associated charges. Here, we see billing information for the customer and the services performed, as well as the amount due for each service. The total amount due is also shown. Sales tax, or VAT or GST, is added as appropriate. To record payment, click the Payments tab. Enter the payment details here. Then click Save, and you're done. A check mark now appears in the job block indicating the job is complete. Note that a wealth of information is provided in condensed form on the screen. We show here some of the icons which instantly convey important information to you about jobs. Let's take a look at some of these icons. The green circle means the job is open. This icon indicates a punch-in was recorded. The key icon indicates that we have a key for the customer's premises. This icon means employees are currently working on the job, and this one indicates the employees have punched out. The red phone lets you know a reminder call is required, and the green one indicates the reminder call has been made. At the top of the screen, there's a legend showing the meaning of all the different icons. Also, you'll notice each job box displays even more job details, such as the client name, location, payment, and more. You can select what information you want displayed for each job. You can also produce maps for a team or employee from this screen. This is a useful aid in scheduling jobs, helping you minimize driving distance for each team for each day. Customer Relationship Management. Service Genius offers comprehensive customer information, or CRM, features. All of the customer's information can be viewed here. When first starting to use Service Genius, you can easily import all your customer data from QuickBooks or Xero Accounting. You can also import data from a CSV file. Here you can record unlimited phone numbers, email addresses, and more for personnel at the company. You can add an unlimited amount of notes, keeping a detailed record of interactions with the customer. On the Account Info tab, you can set payment terms and methods. You can also set the customer's external account to link with QuickBooks or Xero. Click the Jobs tab to see a list of jobs for the customer. Here you can see all the customer's scheduled jobs, so you know exactly when you'll be working with them in the future. There are several features available using the icons at the top right of the window. For example, estimates. Here you can provide a cost estimate for your clients based on the work they request. Then you can use the estimate to create a job. You can create reminders for customers and receive notifications when you need to give customers a call. You can also record and view information for one or more work locations for the customer. You can produce a map showing directions from the company home base to the customer's location. You can also get directions to a work location if the customer has other locations. SM Mobile. The mobile app allows users to see their jobs for the day. Tap on a job to get the details and punch in. During the completion process, you can see the participating employees. As well, you can see job details and even add new line items. And then you can record a signature to sign off on the job. The technician can take photos at the work location. These are then available as part of the customer record back at the home office. Mobile app users can see the addresses of their jobs for the day and easily get a route. The directions are also available in the app. Once the job is completed, you'll see it change colors on the list of jobs. Tap Get Jobs to get new job info and to send completion job information back to the office admins. When the employees check in and out using the mobile app, you can see addresses where your employees have visited for the day. Or view multiple days. Our users love this feature. They can always see where their employees are and where they've been. Customer Portal. Your customers can sign into the Customer Portal section of Service Genius to see their appointments and open invoices. They can also book a new appointment and see which invoices are still open. Employee Portal. Your employees can log into the Employee Portal to see their jobs for the week, request leave, and manage their availability. SMS text messaging. You can send text reminders to customers and employees, such as appointment reminders. Visit the SMS history screen to view past messages. Email marketing. Another powerful feature of Service Genius is the email and text messaging marketing features. You can sort and select from your customer data to send out targeted emails to customers or prospects to keep your name in front of them, to announce special offers, to remind customers that it's time for the next service, and more. This feature alone will easily pay the costs of the software and more. You can use the built-in templates or simply create your own. You can also send out email reminders to customers who have upcoming jobs, helping to avoid lockouts. Credit card processing. You can also accept and process credit card payments in Service Genius. After you process a card in Service Genius, the money is deposited directly into your bank account. Reporting. There are numerous ways for you to view, report on, and analyze your data in Service Genius. Here we show the categories for the reports available in the software. We add new reports regularly as we see the need for them. We listen to our users and add features from time to time based on feedback we receive. And there's more. Our users love the Reminders feature in Service Genius. This lets you create reminders for yourself or for anyone else in your organization, so you never forget important tasks again. Reminders pop up on your screen at the appointed date and time, just like reminders in Outlook or Act, for example. The dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of important metrics of your business every time you sign into Service Genius. And finally, Service Genius links to a variety of external programs. We showed some of these earlier in this presentation. Also, there are many international versions of Service Genius available to handle different tax systems, addresses, date formats, and currencies. All of our software is supported by our professional and friendly customer success consultants. They help you in every phase of implementing and learning the software, making it a part of your business environment, enhancing business efficiency, helping you save time and money. Join thousands of other users in dozens of different industries who've been using our software over the past 30 years to make their businesses more efficient and profitable. Thanks for watching this brief demonstration of our software and some of its capabilities. Contact us today to arrange for a free consultation to discuss your needs. Go to service-genius.com and click the free trial button to get your free trial of our software. No credit card required. Thank you.